fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to show you some fun little goodies that I picked up from the folks over at Diamondartgift. Before I jump in though, if you could do a couple of things for me, hit that like button and then also hit that subscribe button. Those both help me out a lot and I appreciate it. In the description box down below, you can also find links to my Facebook group and page. Would love to see you both of those places. And you can find me over on Instagram at diamondpaintinganonymous. Okay, so I want to show you the three things that I've got. I'm going to move these out of the way. This is the quick one. I saw these and I just thought they were super cute. So, whoops, it already came apart. Let me get the rest of it out here. You guys, it's a little diamond painting Christmas pin. How cute is this? So you get little scrunchies. It looks like there's one big long scrunchie and then a smaller scrunchie, but it comes with a cap, but it's just a diamond painting pin, but I thought it was super cute. They've got Christmas trees, they've got, I think, a reindeer, a Santa Claus, all different kinds of ones, and I just thought they were cute. So $1.99 for a cute little diamond painting pen. Who doesn't love that? Okay, so that's the first thing, the little cute little pin. And then I got these. So these are, I think they call them pendants on the website. That I thought they were keychains, but they were cute and they were holiday themed. So let me get them out here and we can see what they look like. So they're all these cute little snowflakes. So you diamond paint both sides and they're all different designs. And so 4 different kind of snowflakes. Let's see what's in our kit here. So in our kit, ooh, let me open this up because there's little pieces everywhere. So we get our pin, we get, let me get all this out of the way. We get our boat and our plate of wax in the kit, and then we get our little keychain pieces. So you get this part that hooks to the pendant. So you take this little piece here and attach it to the pendant. There's little holes drilled in the little crystal here. And then I'm assuming you loop this. So pendant gets attached to the bottom. You loop this through here like that, and then also loop it through the keychain, so you've got like a little pendant keychain. So oh, and I've got that completely wrong. So there's 2 holes on the keychain. So the pendant part goes on one. I guess you can just force those open with some pliers or your fingers and attach it there, and then put the pendant at the bottom, and then the keychain part goes at the top. So you've got 4 snowflakes, 4 pendants, 4 little pieces here to attach the pendants, and then you've got the little rings and everything, and there's extra rings in here to attach all the little pieces. So let me get these all picked up before I lose some of them and put them back in the bag. Okay, so all that is in with the tool kit. And then we get our drills. So all white drills, as you can imagine. So you've got 2 bags of the clear crystals. You've got some larger round clears and then some smaller round clears. And then you get these iridescent. These are teardrop shaped, these are marquee shaped, so you've got both of those, and then you've got some very large, clear, iridescent as well. So, not a huge range of colors, but I mean, they're snowflakes. And I just thought they would be cute. So you could hang them up as like a little sun catcher kind of thing, and treat them like pendants, or you can treat them as a keychain, whatever you want to do with them. So I just thought these were cute, and these were $11.99. So let me get these back in here. because I don't want to lose any of the little pieces. Okay. And then this last item, I thought this was really interesting. I saw this one and I wasn't quite sure, I'm still not quite sure, which is why I ordered it, what exactly it is. But what it looked like was basically window cling that you diamond painted. So let me undo the tape here. It's like a little banner that you know, like the holiday clings that you get for your windows and stuff that just stick on the windows. It looks like that, and it's not going to cooperate. So let me see if I can cut it here. Okay. And it's just this little window cling that you diamond paint. And then I think after you diamond paint it, you peel this backing off. If I can get it to separate. That's what I assumed anyway. Maybe it doesn't. So it's nice and sticky here. Oh, it comes off here. Okay, so it is nice and sticky on the back, but then it's also sticky on the front, so you can diamond paint. So you peel this back and diamond paint it, and then after you get it diamond painted, you can peel it off and use it as your window cling. But as you can see, it's quite long. Oh, it comes with a little measuring thing here. So I will measure it, and then I'll stick the measurement, if I can find it, I'll stick the measurement down here of how long it is, but I'm going to roll this back up for now, just so I can get enough of it rolled up that I can show it to you on camera. And they had several different designs, but I just thought it was really interesting. I'd never seen anything like this before, so it was, yeah, caught my eye. So in the toolkit, you get the bow, plate of wax, pink pin, you get some tweezers because, of course, it is a special drill kit, and then let's look at the drills. If I can get them out here. Okay, let me get that bag out of the way. Let me find our rhinestones here. Okay, so we get red, of course, clear, and then we get a darker red. We get like a very pale, kind of antique smoke color. Those are almost the same color. This one's a little bit lighter though. And then we get yellow. I'm assuming those are probably for some of these ornaments. Yellow. And then we get, are those all? Okay, so we get this green, and then these two greens are the same shade. So two different shades of green. Oh, three different shades of green. There's a light green. And then we get our special drills. We get these round pearls. We get round red ones for the berries. And then we get these teardrop shaped kind of antique gold ones. So yeah, I just thought it was really interesting. Like I said, I've never seen anything like these before. And so when I saw them, I was like, I've never seen like these cling wrap type things before. Yeah, so I really wanted to check them out and see what they were like. And like I said, they had a couple of different designs. So if you don't like this particular design, they had several others. And this was $7.99. So we have our little kind of cling wrap banner here. We've got our snowflake keychains, and then we have our lovely little Christmas tree pin. And as usual, I will put links in the description box down below for all of these so you can check them out for yourself, along with anything else that might catch your eye. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.